This video shows how to replace the K imaging kit for the Xerox VersaLink C620 color printer. The black imaging kit is accessible from the right side of the printer. Using the handle, open, then pull up door B. To remove the waste toner container, hold the top of the container and pull it out of the printer. To release the black toner cartridge, press the button below the cartridge. Remove the black toner cartridge from the printer. Unplug the short cable. To unlock the imaging kit frame, pull up the levers. Pull the imaging kit frame out slowly from the printer. The K imaging kit includes the imaging unit and drum. Unlock the latches and remove the old K imaging kit from the frame. Insert the new K imaging kit into the frame and lock the latches. Insert the imaging kit frame back into the printer. Pull down the levers to lock the imaging kit frame. Insert the black toner cartridge back into the printer. Be sure to reconnect the cable. Insert the waste toner container back into the printer. Close door B.